Guys, so once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we will try to solve out the exercise 13.1. So without taking your most of the time, so let's start this video. So in exercise 13.1, in the first bit he is asking find the value of, first one is 2 to the power 6, second one is 9 to the power 3, and third one is 11 to the power 2, and fourth one is 5 to the power 4. So let's try to solve out first one. So first one, what is the first one? It is 2 to the power 6. So how to solve this 2 to the power 6 means 2 is multiplied by itself 6 times. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we have to keep the brackets. 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. So 4 into 4 into 4. So 4 4 is 16. Then 16 into 4 is equal to 64. So 2 to the power 6 is equal to 64. So hope it's clear with first one. Now we'll go for second one. Let's try to solve second one. So second one, what he gave? Let's see. 9 to the power 3 means 9 is multiplied by itself 3 times. So 9 to the power 3 is equal to 9 into 9 into 9. 9 nines are, what is 9 nines are? It is 81. So 81 into 9, 81 into 9, 9 ones are 9, 8 nines are 72. 8 9 is 72, so which gives you 729. So 9 to the power 3 is equal to 729. So I hope it's clear with second one. Now we will try to solve out the third sum. So what is the third question is 11 to the power 2. That means 11 is multiplied 2 times. So 11 into 11, which gives you 121. So 11 to the power 2 is equal to 121. So let's try out the fourth sum also. So the fourth sum is 5 to the power 4 means 5 is multiplied by itself 4 times. 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So fourth one is 5 to the power 4 is equal to 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5 is a 25, 5 5 is a 25. So 25 into 25. 25 into 25. 5 5 is a 25. 5 is here to carry over. 5 2 is a 10 plus 2 12. 2 5 is a 10. 0 0 here. 1 carry over. 2 2 is a 4 plus 1 5. So here comes 5 2 6. So 25 into 25 is equal to 625. So 5 to the power 4, which gives you 625 answer. Okay guys, so understood. Now we will go for second bit. Let me read out the question. Express the following in exponential form. First one is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Second one is t into t. Third one is b into b into b into b. Fourth one is 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. Fifth one is 2 into 2 into a into a. Sixth one is a into a into a into c into c into c into c into d. So let's try to solve all the first question. First question is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. So 6 multiplied by 2 times. So 6 to the power 2 into 6 to the power 2. when bases are same, powers are same, while doing multiplication, we have to add the powers, and while doing division, we have to subtract the powers. So 2 plus 2, which gives you 6 to the power 4. Here also 6 multiplied by 4, multiplied by itself 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 6 to the power 4. Okay guys, now we will go for second question, which is second question, t into t is equal to t to the power 2, because t is multiplied by itself 2 times. So t to the power 2. So now we will go for third question. Third question is b into b into b into b. So b into b into b into b. So b to the power 2 into b to the power 2. While doing multiplication, what I said, add the powers. So what you will get here, b to the power 4, because here also 4 times b is multiplied by itself. So b to the power 4. Now we will go for what? Fourth one. So the fourth question is 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7. So 5 multiplied by how many times? It is 2 times. So 5 to the power 2 into 7, how many times multiplied? 3 times. So 7 to the power 3. 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7 in exponential form, it is 5 to the power 2 into 7 to the power 3. So understood guys? So now we will move for fifth one. So what is the fifth question guys? What is the fifth question? The fifth question is 2 into 2 into a into a. So here 2 multiplied by how many times? 2 times. So 2 to the power 2 into a, how many times? 2 times. So a to the power 2. 2 into 2 into a is equal to 2 to the power 2 into a to the power 2. So now we will go for sixth one. So the sixth question is a into a into a into a into c into c into c into c into d. So here a multiplied by how many times? 3 times. So a to the power 3 into c multiplied by how many times? 4 times. So c to the power 4 into d, how many times? 1 time. So d to the power 1. So hope the first and second bit which I have discussed. So the total questions today I have discussed is, in second bit it is 6 questions, and in first bit it is 4 questions. So total 10 sums I have discussed today. So hope it's clear, and I will meet you in the next video. I am ending up the video here only, and keep supporting and keep subscribing to my YouTube channel, so that I will be uploading more nice and good informative videos in my future. So bye friends.